Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to grab NordVPN but don't want to pay the full price, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share the latest NordVPN promo codes and discounts for 2025 so you can lock in your subscription at the best price possible. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that saves you the most. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs in the world, is offering thousands of servers, blazing fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just securing your data on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN has your back. Here are the promo codes you can try in 2025. Nord83 off, save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with long-term subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new customers this year. Save 15% off annual subscriptions. Bundle 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these promo codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN promo codes like these don't last forever, and the sooner you lock in your plan, the more you'll save. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.